Welcome to DYOR-KAY Linguistics Academy. In today's lecture, we begin our journey into syntax, the study of how sentences are structured in language. Every sentence you speak has an hidden architecture. Syntax is the study of this invisible structure that organizes words into meaningful sentences. Start with what is syntax? What do you understand by syntax? What can you say about syntax? Let's go with the definition. Syntax is a branch of linguistics that studies the rules, principles, and processing that governs sentence structure. In simple terms, it explains how words from phrases, how phrases from clauses, and how clauses combine into sentences. Many understand the definition, but not actual meaning of the words syntax. In every language, there is word structure. If you structured a words wrongly, then in the interpretation will be given or will be accepted wrongly. Just like a brick laid, the way they lay the blocks, the bricks must be in process and there's procedure guiding every lay. Same thing applicable with grammar. When talking about syntax, then why study syntax? Syntax is important because it helps us understand grammar rules. It shows why some sentences are correct and others are not. It also plays a role in translation, artificial intelligence, and even in how humans process language in the mind. Since this is just the introduction, in our next lecture, we go deeper. Now, word classes. Word classes, every sentence is built from basic building block called word classes. And this is also known traditionally as parts of speech. These include nouns, verbs, adjectives, determinants, prepositions, and others. For example, in the sentence, the boy runs fast. The word by is a noun, runs is a verb, and fast is an adverb. Now, let's take other side of it. Phrases. Phrases is a group of words that work together as a unit in a sentence. For example, the boy is a noun phrase, while is running is a verb phrase. That is syntax studies. How these phrases come together to form large structures. Constituents. Constituents are groups of words that function together as one. For example, in the tall boy, the words the tall and the boys belong together as a single unit. Recognizing constituents help us analyze the internal structure of sentences. Now we talk about sentence types. Syntax also classifies sentences into different types. Declarative sentences makes statements, interrogative asks questions, imperative gives commands, and exclamatory express strong feeling. For example, the boy is running. Is the boy running? Run, and what a fast boy. Phrase structure rules. In generative grammar, according to Noam Chomsky, we propose phrase structure rules to describe how sentences are formed. For example, a sentence consists of a noun phrase plus a verb phrase. A noun phrase may contain a determinant and a noun. A verb phrase may contain a verb and a noun phrase. So in sentence, the boys ate mangoes. We can break it down into these rules and represent it using a tree diagram. As we know, the linguistics is beyond a language. Now, let's take one of the language in Africa, the Yoruba language versus the English syntax. Now, let's make some comparison in syntax using these two languages. Let's compare English and Yoruba. In English, we said the girl is reading a book. This follow the NP, which is noun phrase, plus VP, which is verb phrase structure. In Yoruba, we said ọmọbìnrin náà ń ka ìwé. This also follows NP plus VP, though the words arrangement differ. In some context, this shows how syntax works across languages. Let's recap. Syntax is the study of sentence structure. It shows how words combine into phrases, clauses, and sentences. Understanding syntax helps us master grammar, analyze languages, and apply linguistics in real-life situations such as translation and AI. Before we end, here's a quick question for you. Which of these is grammatical? 1. The cat chased the dog. 2. Chased the cat the dog. Drop your answer in the comment section below. This was part 1, Introduction to Syntax. In the next lecture, we will explore phrase structure and sentence analysis in more details. Don't forget to subscribe to the DYOR-KAY Linguistics Academy for more lessons on language and linguistics. Thank you.